Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5077181, because of these error codes. So if you're receiving these error code, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to fix it, the first step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. And once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option. Click on pause update. Once paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then make a right click on background intelligent transfer service and then click on restart. Now scroll down, find Windows Update. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now once this is done, go back, go to Windows Update. If you see retry option, hit retry and then check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. For this you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077181 over here and then click on search. Now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Over here you will see the version 25H2 in my case. Then check your system type, go to Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, check your system type. For me is 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5077181. click on it and then let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once download is complete, click on this file, install this update manually and then restart your computer. Still not working, open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option over here and here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. For this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file, click on accept and then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. This process will take some time. It will download, let the download complete. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds. Now go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, next over here, accept and here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.